Hey everyone, welcome to Topher's Garage. So tonight we're going to be installing some mirrors on the Jeep YJ. We've got the doors off here for summer. So from the factory, the stock mirrors are bolted to the door. So got some aftermarket ones that we're going to be installing. Got these ones from Quadratec, so we're going to jump into it and see how it goes. So here's what all comes in the kit. According to the instructions, we've got 2 mirror heads and hardware, 2 mirror arms, T40 by 5/16 screws. We've got 4 of those. We've got 4 steel washers in these 2 little baggies. All right, let's keep going. So it doesn't specifically mention it in the instructions, but I went ahead and removed this piece of black trim we've got here to allow better access to the first 2 bolt holes first 2 bolts that we're supposed to go ahead and remove. These are 2 T40s. I'll go ahead and spray some PB blaster on them and then get to trying to break them loose. So according to the next step in the instructions, you should be able to identify the left and right mirrors. You've got the L here and the R on this one. I think the mirrors themselves are the same. So we'll go ahead and get the driver's side one bolted up. So we'll do the passenger side the same way. So that's it, guys. Both mirrors are installed. Took me probably about 15 minutes. Now the only thing left to do is go out and adjust them. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Thanks.